Hello students, so today I am going to discuss about the date and time related functions. The date and time related functions are used to get the system date and time and even manipulate the value of columns having the date time data type. Now these are the list of date time related functions used in MySQL. It starts with current date, then last day, year, month, day, now, day name, and day number. There are in fact some more date time related functions that is used in MySQL. Now let me explain you about the date time related function, which is current date. This function returns the current date of the database server. So if I execute this function with the help of this select statement, I get to see 2021, which is the year, 06, which is the month June, and 04, which is the day, all separated by hyphen. And this gets displayed as output under the column current date. Now this is the date which is actually displayed on the MySQL database server. As today's date is 2021-06-04, so the MySQL server is going to show this particular date as the current date. Then the next type of date time related function is the last day. This function returns the last day of month of a given date. Now if you execute this function with the help of this select statement, and when the date 2009-5-18 enclosed within quotation is taken as a parameter for this function last day, then what's going to happen is that this last day function is going to retrieve the last date of the month for this given date. Now if you look at the case here, the given date is the year 2009, the month 5, which is May, and the day 18. Now if you look at the calendar for the year 2009 and the month 5, which is May, the last day will be 31, and this shows 2009-5-31 as the last date of the month. Then the next type of date time related function is now. The now function returns the current date and time of the given date. Now once you select and type now in the MySQL workbench, you'll get to see 2021-06-04 as the date and 10-28-07 as the current time as the output under the now column. This is because when you select now or when you type select now in the MySQL workbench, it is going to return the current date and time. The current date is 2021-06-04 and the current time is 10-28-07, where 10 is the hour, 28 is the minute, and 07 is the second. If you execute this same command, that is select now tomorrow, then this now function is going to display tomorrow's date, that is 2021-06-05, because tomorrow shall be the day 5 of the month. And the time at which you have typed and executed this now function with the help of this select command will also be shown as an output. Now this time may differ tomorrow. The time will depend when you have executed this now function. It is going to depend on at what time of the day you have executed this now function. So that's all about the now function that returns the current date and time. The next type of MySQL function is the DAYNAME. The purpose of this function is to return the name of day of a given date. Now when you try to execute this DAYNAME function with the help of this select command, considering 2008-05-15 as the day and the given date, then I get to see Thursday in the output column. This is because the day 15 of the month 5 and year 2008 is Thursday. So the DAYNAME function returns the name of the day, which is Thursday, for the day 15 of the year 2008 and month 5. Then the next type of date time related function is the day number. This function returns the day number of a given date in the year. Now if I execute this day number function with the help of the select command, considering 2008-05-15 as the given date, then I get to see 15 as the value under the output column. This is because for the given date 2008-05-15, the day number is 15, and that's why the day number 15 gets displayed in the output column. So this day number function extracts the day 15 out of this date and shows it as a value under the output column. And that's all about the date time related functions. There are even more date time related functions in your book. Their purpose is also listed. Go through the book once to try to understand their functions, and they are very much similar to the ones that I have taught today. And with this I end my presentation here.